Camilo keeps knocking. Will this be the week the 26-year-old Colombian earns his first victory?
Welcome to PGA Tour Today, brought to you by Bearing Point Management and Technology Consultants.
After holding the 18-hole lead, Camilo Villegas carded a 4-under-66 in round 2 to keep his lead and continued to go low in the third round Saturday afternoon. When play was called due to darkness, Villegas was 12 under total and tied with Jim Furyk, who was already in the clubhouse. Welcome to PGA Tour Today. I'm Gwen McMurray. With 2 top 4s in his last 3 starts, Villegas has been trying to open the door to his first victory. After a long Saturday, he has to return at 7:30 a.m. Central Time with 5 holes left to play. If Camilo, known for his Spider-Man stance, can keep lighting it up on the greens, he shouldn't have a problem claiming the 54-hole lead to go along with the 36 and 18-hole leads he has already held this week. Through 49 holes, Villegas leads the field in birdies with 17, his first in putts per round, averaging 25, and his first in putts per green in regulation, as he is tied for 4th in greens in regulation. While Villegas is looking for his first career win, 13-time PGA Tour champion Jim Furyk is looking for his first of the season. Furyk is safely through 54 holes and with the ability to sleep in on Sunday after a 62-66 Saturday. At 12 under par, the 2005 BMW champion has been accurate off the tee this week, hitting 26 of 28 fairways Saturday, and for the week, he's only missed 5 total. If Furyk can pull off the win in St. Louis, and the current leader of the FedEx Cup rankings, Vijay Singh, remains in a similar spot to where he sits after 54 holes, which was tied for 46th Saturday evening, Furyk could lift the FedEx Cup in Atlanta. But he'd need to grab another win at East Lake, and Singh would have to finish worse than tied for 3rd. While the Fijian doesn't look like a threat this week, other proven contenders lurk on the front page of the leaderboard going into Sunday. The winner of the Wachovia Championship and AT&T National, Anthony Kim, is 9 under with 1 hole left to play Sunday morning before the final round. The 23-year-old currently sits 7th in the FedEx Cup rankings and could also be a factor for Singh to consider if Bellerive gives him his 3rd victory of the year. The Sony Open winner KJ Choi is 8 under par and currently sits 12th in the FedEx Cup rankings, and Phil Mickelson, 8th in the standings, is 7 under with 1 hole to play. Final round coverage of the BMW Championship is on NBC from 2 till 6 p.m. Eastern.
PGA Tour Today is brought to you by Bearing Point Management and Technology Consultants, delivering new thinking for a changing world.